In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the waiting room feature on Zoom, also known as turning on the lobby. This feature is a great way to manage your virtual meetings more effectively by allowing you to control who joins your meeting and when. Let's dive right in and take it step by step. First things first, let's open the Zoom app on your device. If you're using a desktop computer or a laptop, simply find the Zoom application and double-click to open it. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all the features we're going to explore today. Once you're in the Zoom app, you'll see a variety of buttons and options. Look for the one labeled New Meeting. Clicking on this button will allow you to start a new meeting session. This is especially helpful if you want to practice enabling the waiting room feature before an actual meeting starts. After clicking on New Meeting, you'll be greeted with a pop-up interface. Here, you'll need to select Start to begin your meeting. This will launch a meeting window and you should see your video feed, along with some control options at the bottom of the screen. Now, let's move on to managing participants. Within the meeting window, direct your attention to the bottom toolbar and locate the Manage Participants option. Click on it to open a sidebar that displays all the current participants in the meeting. This is your control center for managing who is in your meeting and who can join. Next, look towards the bottom left corner of the participants sidebar. You should spot a small icon that resembles 3 dots. This icon indicates a menu with additional options. Clicking on it will reveal a list of settings that includes various functionalities for better managing your meeting. In this menu, look for the option labeled Enable Waiting Room. By clicking on this, you activate the waiting room feature for your meeting. This means that any new participants will now enter a virtual waiting room until you admit them into the meeting. It's a great way to ensure that only those you authorize can join the meeting, allowing for a controlled and secure environment. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the waiting room on your Zoom meeting. From here on, whenever you start a meeting, you'll have the option to manage who can join and ensure everyone feels welcome and accounted for. By using the waiting room feature, you're taking a proactive approach in enhancing your meeting experience, keeping it organized and professional. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful, and that you now feel more confident in managing your Zoom meetings. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our next video for more useful tips and tricks.